So today I will be going to demonstrate my assignment 4 of JavaScript. We need to integrate one browser API and one third-party API in our one of the previous assignments. So I have choose assignment 3 as one of our previous assignments. So just quickly go to the code and go on with live server, and let's just ask default, and let's just reload the page. So you can see over here it's sending a message, show notification. So if I allow that, you can see over here there's a new message over here, try inputting some weekly routines. So it was on routine, so it's showing me a message, try inputting some weekly routines, and there's an icon for Google. And let me just quickly allow the location as well. So you can see over here the third party API that I used, the weather API. So if I go in that message and if I click on the link, we can see over here it's redirecting me to the Google page. So let's quickly go to the code and I will show you how I did it. So I integrated a pop-up notification, show notification method on it, and in which I have created in the body element I have created a custom message over here, try inputting some weekly routine, and then I have passed an on-click event on that notification. Like when the user clicks on the notification, it will redirect to the www.google.com. You can even redirect to any of the websites you want. If you want to change the icon over here, that's the Google icon over here. If you want to add any custom icons, you can just add an icon attribute over here and it would add a custom icon over here. And then there's a condition over here. If the notification.permission is granted, it will show the notification. If or else if the permission is not equal to denied, then it will rethrow the pop-up message, like if you want to allow the notification over here. So in this assignment previously I already added the local storage. So I have already added the local storage in the previous assignment. And let's quickly go to the weather API code. So in the index file I have created a main in which I have passed a label, or else that's the MarkUI, that's their documentation. So I have just used that one. And after that it asked for the navigator.geolocation, that's the code for getting the current location of the current position of the user. After that I have passed the API key and the ID for it, and then I have sent a request to the that API the link, and once I get the request accepted, it redirects the data over here. So this was my demonstration for the assignment.